My name is Andrew. I come from Kampala, Uganda. I got to learn about SGV Hospital through a friend of mine who saw me suffering and seemed to know this place. So I went onto their website. I found a number. I called. I found a gentleman who gave me all the information I needed to know and took a decision of coming over. And I was also informed that they had every latest technology which could help me. I had a hip replacement that had gone through pain and had failed to get help from elsewhere. So eventually I engaged the gentleman. He's in the administration. He helped me through my visa from Kampala. I went through all the airport and I was picked up at the airport here. Through all the visa and here. Then when I got here, actually what happened, they were real good. I arrived on Thursday morning, but by the end of the day, they had taken all my, the essentials. Then I was ready for the surgery on Friday in one day, meaning that they had to take me through the CT scan, the MRI, the X-rays, and all other tests that were required for the doctor to take a decision. I got my operation by Friday evening. I was out of the surgery and into total recovery. So I recommend anyone, if you have any problem with any orthopedic issues, this is the place to be. I'm very glad that I'm here. I've managed to solve my problem within 3 days. I can now move without help. And I thank the hospital and its staff. They've been very kind, all the way from the reception to the basic people up to the doctors. They are very helpful, very kind. That's very touching. I wish to recommend any other person to come over here. I got my surgery on Friday afternoon around 2 o'clock. But by Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I was able to be on my foot, on my own, with minimum support. That was very magical for me. I can lift my legs, I can move, I can take myself to any corner of the room I want with minimum support, with less pain. I'm back to normal, thanks to the management and the doctors.
SGVP Holistic Hospital.